Hi guys, welcome back to the MC Sister, and today we're going to be doing a mukbang with hot wings.
You say video show right there. I just wanted to do that because I was way off.
So it's going to be like a chit chat / mukbang. So we're just going to eat.
Chit chat? Who calls it that?
Most of these YouTubers.
What are we going to talk about? Hot.
Or we do like a story time.
They like cheesy hot wings. It's Monzu with cheese. Because I know some of y'all don't agree, and y'all want to make stuff. Oh no, the phone shirt. You know what? Okay, just eat it out. That's all the time you want to do.
Is that tissue right here for our hot wings?
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all. We don't know what to do.
Oh, if y'all can watch Glitter Forever 17, she was not about to scroll lately.
I don't even know what happened to her, y'all.
Oh, I watched her video while I left. Yeah, it was so freaking sad. Cause wait, could you leave a house if nobody wanted to rent it? Like nobody wanted to take the house.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway, so she her house. She like losing her house and stuff, and then she wants to like leave the house, but nobody bought it, and it was like on the market for like a year.
Dang.
I know.
Let me have plate from back there.
And what plates?
Just one of those paper plates. We need to put our bone in. Jesus. One plate.
Anyway, so then, she had like a southern accent, and she had it in like most of her videos, because stuff people be saying about her, because they think she be outside in the heat, eating pickles, and burping all the time. So she's like from Louisiana, so.
I don't even think people remember Glitter Forever 17.
And so she just like, she don't talk about it. What? Oh yeah. So, and she like pretend to be somebody that she not like. She pretend to be like somebody with a regular accent. But because she's so scared of what people think. Yeah, she's so scared of what people think and stuff. And then somebody, like, people in the comments be like, oh, you're a fake person. It's not really you. You're like too kiddish. So, she like got depressed. Because she was wearing black lipstick. You should have seen it. It was like, suppressing. She had black lipstick on, and she said, let's just say my black lipstick is the moon inside me.
Dang, that's dark. Look at these hot wings, y'all. Like, they look good.
Rubbing in your little faces.
Girl.
It's like so cheesy. Don't worry, this cheese ain't stiff. You just pick them up a little. Good. That was sad. People stopped watching her and stuff.
Yeah, people need to stop doing her like that. She was just being herself, and people don't even accept her.
See, that's why she stopped doing all the all the glitter stuff. And stuff like that. And she said she's gonna try to get back to YouTube because she like doing makeup and stuff, like beauty and stuff. So
she should just do that from the start.
She said she used to do that on her channel.
It wasn't getting much views. Cause I know when something don't get a lot of views, people stop doing it. Cause there's no views.
She said she's gonna start back doing it. I only ate 2 wings. I'm already full. It's like my second wing. Probably ain't gonna finish it.
Yeah, we probably not finishing.
No, oh, that good cheese though.
Yeah.
Koi, stop that. You greedy dinosaur. Anyway, so yeah, so what the heck? Oh yeah. So she said she's gonna start back doing her makeup and stuff when she get herself like sprayed. You go back and eat and walk.
After this video, yeah.
I don't know how do you eat your chicken wings? I eat them all like this sometimes.
I prefer flats. I do not like these.
Not that kind, Koya.
I know, but I'm just saying I prefer flats.
I prefer flats too, so I'm eating a flat now. People didn't like our last video we posted.
Too bad.
I just only got 5 views. And I like it.
Better than nothing, shit.
Well, dang. That's not hurt hard. I'll make y'all want the chicken wings more. I'll make you like how Black could do it. Like, I'm gonna shove a whole chicken wing up my mouth like he do. I go,
You bought that chicken wing. That was funny.
Like how he was picking up so hard.
Yes, I thought he just got mad or something. There's so much cheese on his wings,
Wait, so cheesy. That one. Not so cheesy.
Stop taking it. Dang.
Well, I can't even do it together, but I'm gonna try. I can't do that. This thing's too big. It's like a freaking drumstick. Like, so cheesy, see? Oh.
Watch when you watch this video over. You're gonna get hungry.
I know. I watched our video because I like wanted to see the things so bad.
Ooh.
Ooh, what's that?
You heard it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that was. Oh my god, y'all. My drink is all the way back there.
She don't even call us glitter critters no more. Wait. Oh, you're not in my head. Glitter for 17. Don't call us glitter.
17.
Don't call us glitter critters no more.
I mean, why would you?
Because she's so addictive first, but still.
Oops. Dang, y'all. Look at that. Oof. Y'all, look at this cheese.
Oh, move. I don't know what I'm drinking. It's berry punch. Oh my gosh, I did that on camera. I still realized. Well, I still realized I burped on camera. There's like so much.
I did food.
I thought he was gonna keep this professional.
Shut up.
Ooh, oh, this one. I have someone breathing old videos.
You must be really obsessed with glitter forever since you.
I miss the old her.
And she'll miss the old you. She'll miss the old you. Then. She probably don't even know you. Well, does she know you? But
talking about a float.
But yeah, y'all. He does not eat all of these things.
Is this what you about to end?
Maybe.
Let's start a story time.
You about to start story time at the end of the video.
You know, I think about a float. I usually so cute on camera, but today I'm getting so messy.
I got my hair done, y'all.
Nobody cares.
She didn't get hers done.
Because already is done.
Her braid's pretty.
No, it ain't. I think my fur is only over here. Okay, see? I got frizz.
Girl, don't try me. But yeah, y'all.
It's a video show right there. I better not be off, so just in case I'm off, I'm gonna put one right. I'm gonna put them right here. Dang it. Alright. It's a video show right there or right there. Now it's so saucy and nasty. You might want to hear her nickname I made up for her.
Girl, it's about to be a 20-minute video.
It is? Okay, let's just leave it. So, her name is Ikoya, but everybody call her Koya. But I like to call her Koi. I actually don't know how I did that. She likes when I call her Koi. Ooh.
Anyway, y'all. This is a little chit chat, mukbang, whatever you want to call it. We're not done with those wings, but use them on camera. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. MC Sister out.
Bye.